If I could take all my confusion by the wrist in the dead of night, I'd lead it back to where it came. It's good without ghosts sometimes. No freezing lows, no burning highs, as static as the day is long. With a sweet and subtle tease, one could gladly bend to knees. With kind familiar breath, she could ask him what he meant. She asked him what he meant. Sunlight shattered sleep. Seems no one quite knows how to be. Could be life's a road with closing doors, where lovers cough and ask for more and fumble for the door they need. But there are no pledges involved in solitude.